Debate over the 1973 Roe v. Wade decision has never gone away in the local area.
Erie has a robust People for Life organization, and in political seasons where candidates stand on abortion, it's often an important consideration.
Erie News Now, Lisa Adams reaching out today to activists on both sides, pro-life and pro-choice, to hear what they're thinking about the leaked draft from the Supreme Court. Lisa, were they surprised at all?
Well, good evening. Surprised by the leak, maybe, but not by the leaning of the high court. But both sides say even if Roe versus Wade is overturned and abortion regulation moves to states, their fights for life and choice will continue.
People for Life in Erie have been active and fighting for decades to overturn Roe v. Wade.
It's good to know that the court is at least leaning in the right direction.
Every January, on the anniversary of the decision, they march, demonstrate, and pray. They fill buses to join the march on the Capitol in Washington, too. But they're not sure the leaked brief is cause to celebrate yet.
It's possible that the Supreme Court's going to kick the can down the road to some extent. But like I said, we do expect them to move in a pro-life direction.
There are often counter-demonstrations by those who are pro-choice, but none bigger than the Women's March in Erie and cities across the nation after Donald Trump was elected. Former congressional candidate Christy Ganebis is concerned about the erosion of a woman's right to choose.
I am pro-child, I am pro-woman, but I am also pro-choice. I love being a mother, I love my two girls, but I was lucky enough to have that opportunity to make those decisions myself, and I want other folks to have that opportunity too.
Rebecca Pruvidenti, a longtime activist, agrees and vowed to keep fighting.
The idea that women shouldn't have those choices is pretty archaic. And maybe it'll all go away when the dinosaurs go away.
If regulation does end up in the hands of states, there could be even more work for pro-life advocates too.
In many ways, that's a bigger concern to us right now than what's going to happen with Roe v. Wade.
Broderick told me he's concerned that the state Supreme Court is on the verge of dealing with abortion simply as a health care option, while the pro-choice advocates say they're worried about the pro-life Republicans in the legislature. And so it continues. Live in the studio, Lisa Adams, Erie News Now.